Hi everyone, I'm making this video after watching I tried to save Reforged by Grubby on Grubby Talks. I couldn't find this video anywhere else on YouTube, so I thought I'd just create it so it's easier for everyone to see without having to go into Reforge. I think I got all the Archer death sounds, but I'm not 100% sure. I was killing them over and over again, and these are the only real ones that I got.
I'll give it a shot. I'll give it a shot. Fire. One shot, one kill. Cry havoc. One shot, one kill. I'll give it a shot. Cry havoc. Fire. One shot, one kill. One shot, one kill. Fire. Cry havoc. I'll give it a shot. Cry havoc.
Speak your mind.